This is Human Origins Revealed, and this is a short video to show you that even when you look at a stone that you see on the beach, okay, that if you're not paying attention, you might miss it because right in front of you, I'm going to move it to the side because I'm going to put the picture in the picture so you can see. But there's a lion right there. There's his nose. Can you see his two eyes? There's a lion looking right at you. The two symbols most associated with the ancient lost civilizations are the lion and the serpent. And there you go, folks. Carved into green serpentinite. You can either see or you can't see that there's a magnificent lion carving. You can see as I go lower, it is three-dimensional. You can see his nose and his eyes. His nose is right at the tip of my finger, and his eyes above it. Come to Human Origins Revealed and learn the truth about North America. Learn the truth about what they hid, what they covered up. Why is this land so special? Look forward to seeing you out there, seeing us on all the applications. Human Origins Revealed. Thank you for your time.
The site on your left was destroyed. As you can see on the right, everything was bulldozed out into the water. Come to Human Origins Revealed and learn more about how the ancient civilization that's underneath our feet in North America is being covered up and destroyed. Human Origins Revealed.